IELTS speaking part 1 sessions. It's going to be the 4th session. From 16 to 20 questions will be discussed here in the class. And these are advanced modern topics by the students in the examination. If you're watching this video particularly, you must write down the answers. So God bless you. How can you make your travel time more productive?
I can use their time to review notes or plan my tasks for the day.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, my dear friends, very good morning. Emily Dickinson says, who is an American poetess, in one of her poems, that why fear death? It's the most beautiful adventure in life. Look at the beautiful expression. Look at the thought-provoking idea. If she doesn't have any fear of the death, why do you have the fear of IELTS? IELTS can be an enjoyable activity, a wonderful companion, provided you have capacity to prepare yourself. This capacity is enhanced here at Genius Institute, Lahore. If you are willing to prepare yourself very well, we can give you a wonderful preparatory classes. You know, these days we have started IELTS speaking part 1 sessions. It's going to be the 4th session consecutively, and from 16 to 20 questions will be discussed here in the class. And these are advanced modern topics which are likely to be encountered by the students in the examination when he or she is sitting in front of the examiner. So get ready to answer the questions. If you know the answers, my dear friends, you must also give the answers, write rather answers in the comment section of our YouTube channel. If you're watching this video particularly, you must write down the answers. So God bless you. So dear friends, today's first topic is travel time to school or work. Now the first question is, how long does it take you to travel to school or work?
Well, my school was not far away from my house, so I only prefer to go to when school.
I only prefer to go.
Yeah, I only prefer to go.
Prefer.
To when school by myself, like through walking. Yeah, I can go with my father, but I think walk is important for us, so I prefer to go by myself, and it refreshes our mind and helps to
Do
stay.
you feel comfortable while traveling to school or college where you're going to?
Yeah, I feel very comfortable. I always enjoy my traveling.
Okay, great. So the next question is, what mode of transport do you use for your commute?
I usually use the bus for my commute, but sometimes I walk.
Public transport, you mean to say? Buses means public transport.
But sometimes I walk or take a train. It depends where I am going.
Right. So do you sometimes use your personal transport, car?
Yes, sometimes I use my car where I am going.
And do you know how to drive the car? Do you know how to drive the car?
No, sir.
No. Your husband drives the car?
Yes.
Professionally well. Thank you. The next question is, do you enjoy your travel time or find it stressful?
Of course, I enjoy my travel time if it's not so crowded and if it's smooth. I look I look outside to enjoy the weather, and I also read books during my travel to keep myself busy. But if there is heavy traffic or there is delay, then I become stressful and exhausted.
So what do you do if you become stressful or exhausted? How do you drive yourself out of it?
I try to get out of the car or the bus.
For some time,
Yes.
you try to get out of the car and breathe heavily.
Yes.
Okay, great. This could psychologically relieve you. What do you do during your commute? Yes, please.
I listen to music. I read a book, and
I read a book or listen to music.
I look out the window. I check my phone. I watch videos.
Watch videos, check on your
And,
mobile phone. Great.
I talk to friends,
Oh my God, you do all these things simultaneously, but it
Yes.
depends what you need to do and what you're feeling like doing, then you do it.
I drink coffee.
Drink coffee. Oh,
Yeah.
goodness me, this is brilliant. Fantastic answer. Okay, and how can you make your travel time more productive?
I can use that time to review notes or plan my tasks for the day.
Sorry, I can.
I can use that time to review notes or plan my tasks for the day.
Okay. The next question is, rather, no, topic is daily mood tracker. The first question is, how do you track your mood throughout the day?
I track my mood by setting regularly check using mood tracking app or journaling.
Mood tracking app. Oh my God. So overall, you feel happy, sad, or serious? What do you feel? Happy, sad, or serious?
Serious.
Serious. Maybe you have inherited this seriousness and this sense of authority from your father because he is very serious kind of guy. All right, thank you. Do you notice any patterns in your mood?
Honestly speaking, my mood change without any
My
reason.
mood changes.
Changes without any reason, and most of the time
Oh
they
my
remain.
God, you have more mood swings.
Most of the time they remain constant. Additionally, when I'm a kind of sensitive personality, so when someone passed harsh comment, it really caused a negative impact on my moods, and then according to my nature I stop having conversation with them for a while.
Fantastic answer. Really wonderful. What affects your mood the most?
Well, sir, nature like sometimes weather affects my mood the most. When weather becomes cold and black clouds appear on the sky, then I think I feel happy.
Fantastic. How do you improve your mood when you feel down?
Well, if my mood is down, so I play a game like football and also recite the Holy Quran and do some home chores and also go for cycling to relax my body. That is way to improve my mood.
And thank you, do you think your mood impacts your productivity?
Yeah, well, sometimes when I become happy, so I feel more energetic and I can focus on the work or task better, and I also can be good at critical thinking and creating new ideas. So whenever I was happy, I feel more productive.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. So the next topic is favorite hobbies. The first question is, what's your favorite hobby and why?
My favorite hobby is watching TV. First of all,
Okay, instead of saying hobby, you can use favorite activity in my spare time. My favorite pastime is like this. Okay.
yeah, so just my hobby is watching TV. First of all, I try my best to complete my housework and study. And then when I feel exhausted after studying for some hours, so I just sit on a sofa and watching TV. I usually prefer to watch TV dramas because it relax my mind and some enjoyment, and sometimes I usually listen to music as
Thank
well.
you very much. How often do you engage in your hobby and why?
Well, I engage in my hobby a few time a day. Whenever I free time, it helps me relax and enjoy
It
my.
helps me relax.
It helps me relax and enjoy my day.
And how does your hobby relax you?
First of all,
Mike, please.
sorry, my hobby is to visit different fascinating and mountainous hilly areas of Pakistan, like northern areas, Swat Valley, Hunza, and the nature is breathtaking here. And so this helps me to decrease my stress. It improves my mental health, and it gives me peace of mind, and I stay calm and happy here.
Fantastic. Do you think having a hobby is important for mental health?
Yes, having a hobby is important for mental health. I helps you feel calm and happy. Some hobbies help you make friends, and it takes your mind off worries.
How do you feel when you spend time on your hobby?
I feel very happy. I'm proud because my hobby allow me to create something special and
Something special.
express myself.
Thank you very much. Good answer. The next topic is about weekend activities. What do you usually do on weekends?
Mm, on weekend, I off in my institute and I relaxed.
I relax.
I relaxed and then I clean my room and home and spend time with my nephews.
And you spend time with your nephews. Brilliant. Okay. Do you prefer relaxing or being active on weekends, please?
While I belong to a family that loves to save all the activities for the weekends, whether it is about washing a car or cleaning the entire home. So whenever I plan to relax on weekend, they ruin it and keeps remembering things for me to do one after another.
Thank you, do you like spending weekends with friends or family and why?
Mostly, sir, I spend weekends with my friends and explore different new places. And when I'm in my friends, I feel I'm more happy than the family.
All right. How do you make the most of your weekends?
Well, sometimes I go for shopping with my family and also read some novels like Matilda and Roald Dahl and do some fun with my family like watch movies in projector.
Have you ever taken a weekend trip to explore new places?
Yeah, when I'm on weekends, I go with my family and explore new things. Sometimes go for dinner for to our favorite restaurant, or sometimes to a new restaurant, shopping, or we go there where we find something new. That's how I explore.
Thank you. Okay, dear friends, the last topic of today is daily calorie intake. How do you track your daily calorie intake?
Not really. I don't track my daily intake calories. Like everything we eat today nowadays, having a lot of calories, high calorie foods we are eating nowadays. Like if I do my breakfast, then I have a lot of calories in my food. And if I am eating pizza, and in the evening, if I want to enjoy some snacks or any fried items, then I intake a lot of calories as well.
So, do you enjoy the homemade food or food from outside?
Um, I prefer homemade food.
Prefer
Prefer homemade food.
instead of the food bought from the market or bought from the restaurants. Okay. Do you follow a balanced diet?
Well, balanced diet is very important for our health, but I am a foodie person, so I did not follow any balanced diet. But recently, I make a balanced diet plan, so I decided to follow this plan.
Fantastic. How many calories do you consume in a day?
Well, usually I consume 2000 to 2500 calories per day, but it all depends upon my activity. If I am taking rest or I am doing some exertional activity, then it all depends on it. It also depends on the type of food. Either I am taking a light meal, or I am taking a heavy meal, or I am taking fruits, vegetables, or meat, bread. Yeah,
And
etc.
do you think eating too many calories is harmful?
Yes, eating too many calories can be harmful. It can make you gain too much weight, and too much weight is not good for your heart. It can make you feel tired and slow.
And what foods do you avoid to control your calorie intake?
Well, I avoid eating fast food, and fried foods because they are high in calories. I try not to drink drink
Sugary products,
sugary
okay.
products and sweets, juices. sweet juices, and bakery items.
Oh, thank you very much, everybody, for giving a fantastic presentation of all the questions. You have spoken really very wonderful. Some of the students have really carried the day by making me convinced that they can speak pretty good in the examination day. But if you will keep on preparing yourself very well like this, in future you'll become super duper performers. Now, this week we are recording your videos regarding speaking part 1, IELTS speaking part 1, and next week we'll practice speaking part 2. I'll give topics, everybody, the cue card or the task cards to everybody, and you'll prepare on daily basis different cue cards, maybe 10 in a day. So you prepare everything, roughly speaking. I will let you know how to prepare them conveniently, and then you will produce it here and present your presentation here in the classroom here at Genius Institute Lahore. Wish you all the very best of luck for your performance in the future as well. Thank you.